Here, let's see what he's doing. What's all the commotion? What are you doing?
I want my mommy. Do you want mommy?
He says, quit leaving me in the car. But you get cold. It's cold outside, and then you want to come in. He said, we shouldn't even be out here. See how he yells at us?
Yeah, it's okay.
This poor little thing. Come here. What is your problem? You don't want to go anywhere? It's better than sitting home.
I want to be with my mommy.
Yeah, but you can't be outside because you get cold. That's all you want to do is go back inside, silly.
Okay, scoot up.
All right.
Let's get in.
We're going for a ride now, Max, okay? Let's go. Hey everybody, how we doing today? My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome to
Miss FITZ'S Adventures.
Miss FITZ'S Adventures. Hey, we are out of the house. Max is in the car barking at us, yelling at us right now. I don't know if you can hear him. We are driving south on the 101 from where we were in Astoria. And we just passed Cannon Beach. We're at an overlook. And you see the beach is really, really pretty down there that we went to last time. You can see the rock, the HayStack rock from a distance. And yeah, I'm kind of looking down at it now. That's kind of like right down that way. You can check that out. And then right over here is another rock that's out. Water's around it. I don't know if you can see that. All right, guys, we made it to our destinations. Masks are supposed to be worn while we're hiking even, I guess, here. So we are going down this trail. It's supposed to be a waterfall, but this does take us down to the beach. Very pretty. So it does say there's some wildlife down here also. It says don't feed anything. So we'll see what we get. What'd you find? Come on, Max, let's go. He says there's been animals and critters up here. He hasn't been on a long walk in a long time. It's been a couple weeks. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere, almost getting lost, like we just said a few minutes ago. But we're going to follow the trail backwards and take us back out of here. And then I hope you guys come back and see us again next week. We'll have another beautiful video. hopefully, if it doesn't rain. But we thought this week was going to be a total washout, which it ended up not being a total washout. So that was a really good thing. Work-wise, it's going to start picking up in February. We got to get ready for summer, so I'll be getting more work, which is good. Dion's been working consistently. I've been working like 1 day a week is what it is, and that's good. Got the heart monitor on still. It's right underneath here. This is all hitting it, so I don't know how that's going to work out. But I do go back next week, and I take it off the following Friday. So we'll see all that. Yeah, we'll see all about my health and all that good stuff. Your health is not good. We got to get you into a doctor. You got to get some insurance or something. Yeah.
Just my bones.
I know. All right, guys. Our dog is whining because he wants to
Get warm.
Get warm, and he wants to go back up to the car. Right?
You ready to go?
No, he wants to go that way. You don't care. Let's just go.
Let's go.
Hold on.
Hang on.
We made it out. We just followed the trail backwards. Turns out that all the trails lead back to this one trail. So that was pretty cool. House on a trailer, little house. All right, guys, so you could write us always at msfitzadventures@gmail.com. You can see us on Facebook or Instagram. And we do have the new website, which is misfitsadventures.com, where we're going to be selling some stickers and eventually t-shirts and different things like that. Hey, why not, right? But you guys come back and see us again. We thank you very much for watching. It just happens a million cars are passing by right now. Yeah, they're all gone now. So very much, thank you so very, very, very much for watching, subscribing. Tell your friends about us, and I hope you guys enjoy. And this is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
She's tired, so is the dog. See you guys later. Be back next week.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.